You all nicely prepared your dataset, even included certain calculations. But by somehow those calculations do not appear properly in the pivot table. Does this issue sound familiar to you? Then, no worries. You will see in the next few steps that in Excel incorporating formula into pivot table is very simple. Shall we start? All right. In this example, the table includes number of customers and total quantity purchased by those customers for each type of fruit. Let's fill in the table and include as well the formula to be able to calculate average quantity purchased by one customer. Then let's calculate the total and include as well the formula to calculate the overall average. Great! Now our base data set is ready. Let's prepare our pivot table as usual. Select the relevant area for the pivot. Go to Insert, select Pivot Table and from Table or Range. The pop-up menu will display the area selected for the pivot. Press OK. Now our pivot template appeared in a new sheet. What we see on the right side of the screen is called the field list. Simply drag and drop the fields under the corresponding areas below. Just a moment. Did you realize the issue with the average calculation? By somehow for the pivot total the average figure does not match to the average figure we just calculated in the base data set. Let's fix this issue together. First, remove the average field from pivot. Then go to Pivot Analyze and under Fields, Items and Sets choose Calculated Field. Now let's give a name to the new field and include the formula that we want pivot to calculate by using the corresponding fields. As you can see, this calculated field is a new field which is also appearing as a new field under pivot table fields. And it is properly calculating the average as in the base data set.